quit, do it right, play the game, win it life.
Alright, so what's up? Quad Squad back at it with another one. Let me know if you like that intro. I'm trying some different things. Anyways, so what the video for today is about is, so I was having a good conversation with my good buddy Sheldon, the Blind Traveler. He's got a YouTube channel. You guys go check that out. And yeah, so we were talking about filming and footage and what camera I use and stuff like that. And the long of it is that I use a GoPro and it's super accessible for me. And I can imagine for someone that's blind or in a quad like me or just has mobility issues, GoPro is the way to go if you're looking for a camera, for many reasons. And number one is that you can connect it to your phone and control everything on your phone. So put it to video mode, photo mode, time-lapse mode. You can change all of the detailed settings about those modes on your phone. You can change any setting you can change on the GoPro, you can change it on the phone. So screen brightness, this and that, and also you can make it so it doesn't turn off because you want it going the whole time that you're out if you plug it in. And the other thing is that you can turn on voice control. Voice control is another key feature that it basically sounds as it is. You tell the GoPro what to do and it does it. So GoPro start recording, GoPro take a photo, GoPro start a time lapse, GoPro stop recording. And the other cool thing about it is that you can change the settings to make it so that it either beeps when it's done or it just flashes. Therefore, if you need to know it's done or it stopped recording, then if that works for you, that works for you. Same, like, so if Sheldon needs to know that it stopped. Anyway, so with that, also it gives you screen preview. I left that out. Like, so that if your PSW sets up the angle, you want to make sure the angle's right so that you're good the whole day, then you do that. Last but not least is that if you're with the GoPro subscription, you can actually make it so that it auto uploads all the film and footage that you took for the whole day. You plug it in, it gets to 100%, and it uploads all your footage. That way you don't have to like put it in your computer and go through them and not have them named. It just goes up to the GoPro media cloud and you go to your website, the website, and you download whatever pieces of film that you need, make your video, bing bang boom, you're good, you know. I love my GoPro, yeah, so that's it. I'm trying to be straight to the point, make it quick because I have to make really long videos. I hope you took something from this video and I hope it helped. Anyways, if you want to hit that like button, I appreciate it, and subscribe if you want. Anyways, take it easy, peace, hope you have a good day. On a last note, if you wanted to come check out one of these videos, hit it up, and sure you won't be disappointed.